Hey guys, welcome to CryptoReality. What a bloody days we have. Very volatile market. Please be advised that I'm not your financial advisor and everything I say here is based on the charts. Okay, I always want to provide the reality. No hype, no fear, no something. I'm not creating something here. I just want you to be prepared for what's gonna happen. So here we go. XRP US dollar daily time frame. Okay, here's my pattern here. Okay, I'm gonna be transparent to you guys. This is what I see we're gonna do, we're gonna happen. But let's focus now on now. Okay, I do think XRP will do nothing in November. Although there's a news of ETFs or whatsoever, unless that happens, we won't see anything. Okay, maybe by December we're gonna see some pumps here. Okay, maybe by December 1st or last week of November, but not today, not tomorrow, or not this week. Okay, look what I found here. Every time we dip, we actually have some 23% move to the upside. Okay, that's a 3%. Okay, another one here, 23%. So now I'm expecting XRP to rebound with 20% also. Okay, from this low. Okay, that could take us around here, some 2.79 to even 2.8 area. Okay, try to retest these lows here. Okay, some lows here. Maybe we try to retest those. Okay, but eventually that's gonna be a bull trap and everyone's gonna be hype again, but eventually we're gonna go down. Okay, I'm not saying it's gonna happen, but that's the probability that I am seeing here. Okay, this is not just because I want us to pump. Look at your US dollar dominance. Okay, look who's right. I told you maybe we're gonna go up. Okay, told you we're gonna go up and gonna create a double top here, and maybe that's gonna happen here. Okay, maybe this is going to happen, but we are going to be saved by this supports here. Support, now this is the resistance right here. Okay, resistance here. You see that, guys? Support. So yeah, there's a lot of things there for your DXY. Okay, this is your probability dump side, a 12% dump from this top here. But honestly, all I want you to see is this pattern right here. Okay, inverted in shoulders. Okay, I'm gonna remove this. Okay, this is inverted in shoulders, but I want you to look at the past here before your 2021 bear market, 2022 bear market. Okay, look at this. This is also inverted in shoulders, and we are here right now. What the DXY did, what did the US dollar dominance did, a double top. Okay, but eventually dumped and supported by this supports, resistance, support over here. Okay, it is saved by them, then come back up stronger and the bear market comes. Okay, so I want you to look at this. Okay, I want you to look at that pattern right here. It may be the same pattern that we're gonna do right here. Okay, and the breakout pattern could lead us to this 8.655 level or higher. But I want you to see this. okay, in your weekly time frame. If that happens, it's gonna be your 2026 bear market to your 2028 bear market. I was just thinking that maybe we can come back up here. Okay, maybe we can't break this. Okay, we can't break this. Okay, you can't break this. Okay, I don't know what are you seeing this right here. Okay, maybe we can break that, and by 2029, oh, I'm sorry for that, maybe by 2029 we can see a massive growth for crypto. Okay, look at that, guys. I'm not saying anything here. Okay, I'm not saying anything here. I just want you to look. It's the same pattern right here. Okay, this is your pattern. This is your measure move here, right? That's your measured move there. Okay, so this is your measured move now here. Okay, so that's what I see here for us. Okay, also your Bitcoin right here, we dump, but as you can see here, we have some bullish divergence in your RSI here. Okay, Bitcoin is dumping, but the RSI is making a higher high here, higher lows, should I say. So if we manage to break this pattern right here, this is a falling wedge pattern, maybe we could go around this area 119. Okay, retest that, or 120 should I say. Retest those resistance and everyone's gonna get hype, but eventually bear market comes. Okay, maybe we can come back up here and then come back down. Okay, as long as we didn't break all of this resistance, I'm not saying we're gonna go up. Okay, if we break that, then there's a bullish sign. That's a good thing. That's so bullish. We have to break that. Okay, because now we break this resistance here, we break the support. Okay, oh, I'm sorry, we didn't break the support, we're still 99. Okay, here's your support here. Oh, maybe we can see chip chop sideways here around this area here, dump, bounce, break, and then come back up by December. Okay, and then by then XRP will go to this 2.8 area right here. Okay, also we haven't retested this 100 EMA that I'm talking, right? So look at this chart beautifully. Okay, don't get me wrong about this, I just want us to be prepared for the possible scenarios. Okay, now look at your weekly time frame here. Look, if we close like this, that's bad. Okay, every time we broke this, it's bad. Okay, we're gonna try to retest that 20 EMA right there, and maybe that's gonna be your 2.8 area right there. Okay, close like this, broken 50 EMA. Okay, we're gonna bounce up, retest this blue line here. That's gonna be your 2.8 area, 2.75 or whatsoever, and a bull trap. Then we're gonna come back down. Okay, and it's almost time. Okay, 2021 is the last bull market. So if the 4-year cycle still at play, you know that it is. 2026 is your bear market, so it's just a matter of time. Happy for those people who got exited these areas right here for XRP. Okay, I wish I have, but but I didn't because I truly believe something's gonna happen, but the chart doesn't lie. How about we have a great resistance here from your 2021 top here. That's a nice trend line here. So this is just a trailer to you guys. I'm gonna explain that in soon. Okay. If you want to find out there for yourself, your own research. Okay. Make some drawings to your charts. So you have to be prepared for the next bear market and then bull market. Okay, so be aware of those. This low, maybe we can hold this for a while. This 1.9 area, 1.95 to 1.9 area here. We could hold those levels, okay? We could. But eventually, if we break all of this, for example, we close a daily close and a confirmation candle, then there's no reason for you to be bullish, okay? I'm not creating fear here. Just want you to be prepared because this ain't good. The last time that we retest that, we break to this 200 EMA right here, and that 200 EMA will take us to 1.36, and you keep holding it and you lost your profits. Taking profits, I'm not saying sell it all or whatsoever, but you have to take some profits. The goal is to be profitable, not to be a millionaire in just overnight. Okay, so if you learned something here, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Okay, thank you, bye bye, God bless. Always do your own research.